Hi, in last video we have seen how we can print the square of the number up to 10 with the help of the list comprehension concept. In this particular video we are going to write a program to print the first alphabet of each word in the list, and this problem also we are going to solve with the help of the list comprehension only. So let's see, but before going to start, please like and subscribe my channel. So let's start. For example, we have a list and who having the values like Durgesh, Rajkumar, Yadav. These three different words I have in this particular list. And basically what I want to print, I want to print this D, R, Y. So I want to print the first alphabet of each word. So let's see how we can do. As I told you, first I'm taking one list variable L. You can take any variable. Then inside this list, I'm going to use the list comprehension concept. Because of that only I have taken this list. So again, what I want to do, so for each element in the list, what I want to print. So as I told you, if we want to print anything, then that things we have to write before the for loop. And if you want to add any condition, that things we have to write after the for loop. So basically here I want to print. So what I want to print? So I want to print that element. And let me print. First I will show you up to this. After that I will add remaining code. 1 second. See, it's a printing the same thing, because we are doing the same thing only now, because for each element in the list, I want to print that element. That's it only. But I don't want to print the element entire itself only. So I want to print the first alphabet or character. So we know this is the one particular sequence. This is also sequence, and these are like following the indexing. So this things like D is present at the first index, and first index is nothing but this 0. So because of that only we can write 0. It means for this X is nothing but the element only, each and every element. But for each and every element I want to print the first character or alphabet like that. So let me run. See, D, R, Y. The same thing, if you want to print the second one, you can type 1. Let me run. C. And if you want to print the third one, write 3. No, for third it should be 2, like that. So this is how you can write a program to print the first alphabet of each word in the list. And not only for first alphabet, as per your requirement, you can modify this particular index value. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please like and subscribe my channel. Bye.